Hello friends, welcome to Wire Protocol. As always, my name is Roshan, and if you are new to this channel, then here we come up with new tips, tricks, unboxing, coding, software reviews, etc. So today I'm gonna show you how to enable UPI payments in your WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before getting into the video, please subscribe to my channel as I'm in desperate need of subscribers. I need 1000 subscribers by February 20th, 2018. So please, I request you all. I'm just close to 700 and hit 300 more, and I have literally no time. So please help. So okay, moving on. In India, we have UPI, which stands for Unified Payment Interface, created by India government. So this system is for seamless payments across most of the banks in India. So this interface can be integrated in any app, both iOS, Android, Windows, any of the apps. So government itself has implemented this app in their own version of this app called BHIM app, which stands for Bharat Interface for Money. So we have Tez app from Google. Flipkart has PhonePe, and Truecaller has integrated this interface in their normal Truecaller app. As we know, WhatsApp has been rumored to be testing this feature in their own application. Now it's available for beta testers in a closed circle. So not not every beta tester gets this feature, but if you want this feature right now, then you are in a right place. I can help you with that. So for this trick to work, first you need to have your WhatsApp updated from your Play Store and the App Store. They must be in the current latest versions. And second step that you need to follow is you can request a beta tester to send you a payment request. Then you can automatically get this feature because it's a server side feature. It automatically come into your app. So if you don't know any person who has this feature in their WhatsApp, there's super slick trick. So for that, do as I say. So first go to this website. The link will be down in the description. It is the post from where I found this trick. So you can read the post. It's the same as the video. So click on this line, ping us on WhatsApp. So when you click on it, you will be redirected to WhatsApp web. You will have to authenticate by scanning the QR code. So when you are in, just click on the send button. It will send a message to the WebTricks website owner, I suppose. I don't know who's the receiver side, who's on the receiver side, but he is a tester. So once he acknowledges your message and replies with the done or anything positive, you can just restart your WhatsApp, and the feature will show up in your WhatsApp. So after that, you can find this feature in your attachments. It will show up in the attachments as payments. You can see here. If you already have a UPI setup with UPI pin, then it's very simple. If you are a first timer, then you will have to go through each and every step as you would do it on a BHIM app. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment if you have any suggestions, subscribe, and I really need an audience. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.